So, as I told you that I lost my passport within 1 week of coming to Germany, what did I do next was the first and very important step is to file a police complaint. So, I tried to search local police stations online and I went there and I talked with them, and it was very horrible because I did not know how to speak German and they did not know how to speak in English, and I was trying to use my Google Translator, but they were not getting convinced. They were like, how would we know that you actually lost your passport? I was like, how am I supposed to make you believe that I lost my passport? It was a huge chaos. I went back home and I saw that for students in our university there is a council, like student international student advisor. So I booked my appointment. I went to her and I talked with her like, this is what's happened with me. So what should I do? I went to this police station and no one helped. So she gave me an address of her police station, like people she knew, and she asked me go there and take someone who can speak German. Take someone who can speak proper German. And I was like, oh, it is very difficult. But the good thing was, thank you so much, and big shout out to Shruti and Nishad Dada, because I called Shruti. I was like, please, I need someone who can speak German. And Shruti's husband, he can speak good amount of German, so he removed time for me and he came with me to the police station. Thank you very much. So we went to police station and then he did all the talking, and then we got my police complaint FIR. So we need a document till our new passport arrives that she is staying here legally. I'm gonna paste the document somewhere here in the video. So you have to mail your immigration or even post writing everything that you have lost your passport, but you have to also attach your original documents showing them that you had everything, and you have to wait for their response. And it was actually taking a long time, but since the advisor was helping me a lot, she called them and then I got it in within 1 day. Then after that I had to apply for new passport. So the Indian embassy here is in Berlin. So I went to Berlin. I took all of the documents that they have listed online in the website. You can just check their website and you will have all the list of documents that you need to have in case of lost, damaged or full of your passport book. So I checked the section for lost passport and I went there with all of my documents. I gave them my documents and I also paid them the money. It was around 120 euros, but I had to go there at least 3 or 4 times, because at first time they took only half amount of money from me and then they realized that it is not full, and then they called me, oh sorry, by mistakenly we took half of your money. And then I went again and I gave my money again. So it was like, from here it's at least 2.5 hours, so it was hectic. But anyways, I did that. And then I also wanted to apply for RP. And then one mistake that I did, I hope that you should not do.